What's the name of this book?
Good night, Moon.
Okay.
In the great green room, there was a temple,
A telephone.
a telephone, and a red balloon, and a picture of a bear.
Yeah.
The cow jumped over the moon, and there was 3 little bears sitting on the chair, and two little kittens. I see the 2 little kittens.
Yeah.
They're cute. And a pair of mittens and little toy house and young mouse and a young house and a comb and a brush and a bowl of mush and a quiet old lady who was whispering. She whispering. Why did she whisper? Good night, room. Why do we need eyes? Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the balloon and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. Good night, mittens. Good night, little and good night, and good night, comb, and good night, brush. And good night, nobody. That's nobody in there. Good night, miss. That's the last. And good night to the old lady, whispering, hush. Look at those kittens. Good night, dog. Good night, air. Good night, moon.
Noises.
Good night, noises. Good night, where?
Everywhere.
Good night, everywhere.
Good night, noises everywhere. Is that the end?
Mm-hmm.